Hello guys, this is Julia. Welcome to my new video. This is the part 3 of the chapter 5 of my renovation journey, and I'm aware that this numbering is still being a literal mess. The whole chapter 5 is about my bedroom refurnishing, and the part 3 is about the assembling the third part of the furniture I bought in Ikea, which is the dresser, which will let me get rid of my Malm series dresser, which I've been having like for 20 years. Having something for 20 years is telling a lot about its quality, but I really began to hate its color and the oak finishing, its deep drawers, because I'm not the most organized person, so the deep drawers do not help me with this part of the organization, because everything I'm trying to fold and store in them, it's just become a mess eventually. There is nothing that I can do to prevent it. It's just like that. So here I am assembling KOPPANG dresser. I will link it down below in the description. And I love it because it comes in this white matte finishing, and it has like a very shallow upper drawer in which you can store, well, you can store whatever you want, but I'm going to store my little pieces of clothing like socks, my bras, my panties, this kind of stuff. And all the rest of the drawers are not that deep as in Malm series, which will help me a lot with the organization of the rest of my clothing also. So here you can see me assembling all of the stuff, and I have an advice for you. If you use an electrical screwdriver and you have like 2 or 3 or 4 or 17 pieces of furniture from Ikea, please do not forget to charge your batteries, because if you do not charge your electrical screwdriver, you will have to use the manual one, and everything is going to be much more difficult and it will take you much more time. So yeah, please do not forget to charge your batteries. And also in this video you will probably be aware, I've been aware of this since a couple of pieces of furniture I assembled, that I have some kind of dyslexia, and I'm not terrible reading the maps or the instruction, but sometimes I interpretate the things in the opposite way, and I have to rearrange them after that. It happens a lot to me with the drawers and the pieces, in which direction they have to go and all the stuff. You will probably see it in this video more than in another, and it's really not a big deal. You just assemble them and then you assemble them, and that's it. So I hope you are enjoying the video and you will stay with me till the end, where we'll be able to see the before and the after comparison and the final result of this work. in the first place, the before and the after. Look how cute it looks! And now we are having the real tour of my bedroom. My cushions are a little bit drunk in their direction, and this is my new dresser. I decorated a little bit with some books and some candles I like, and the lamp from Ikea, and then a basket with faux plant in it. I do not really know what I'm going to put in that basket right now. Oh, sorry for that weird lighting. I don't know why it happens when I lower the brightness of my videos, but yeah, it does something very weird. So this is how my dresser turned out. I think it's really cute. The second drawer is not very neat. It doesn't fit perfectly in the general structure, and it's not the drawer fault because I tried a couple of different drawers in there and all of them make the same 2 or 3 millimeters out of the place, which I think is the fault of the trailers I installed in the main structure. So I will have to arrange it or fix it somehow in some moment. Here you can see my upper narrow drawer, and I'm not gonna show you a lot of personal stuff, but yeah, all the rest of the drawers have my t-shirts, my pants, my trousers, whatever I use in my daily life, and I think it turned out pretty well. And this is how my whole bedroom look at this time. I know everything is very white. I'm still wanting to paint those walls in gray or something like that, and we'll see. If you've come this far watching, thank you a lot. Please give it a thumbs up to the video if you really liked it. Please do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel if you are still not, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.